I click it and boom, you get, it doesn't advertise it, but you get a free sprayer. You get a free electrostatic sprayer with it. So for $25, you get the sprayer and the inflator. What's up, everybody? I am back with just a couple more deals today, but some pretty good ones. First, all the deals are coming from Direct Tools. I haven't seen anything else at any other anywhere, not just tools. I just haven't seen any really good deals today. So first up, we have this Ridgid brad nailer. Now, I don't know if I covered it, but I think I did. Or if you saw my video from a couple of days ago, they had this nailer for $119 with a battery and a charger. That was amazing, but it's also gone. So what you have left is just the nailer itself for $127.99. I mean, it's not terrible, especially when you consider at Home Depot this is like $180 or something like that. But you know, and it's new. It's new. It's just when you see better deals from before, it's like, So anyway, you have that. You have the Ryobi brad nailer. Now, to me, I mean, especially when you look at, you know, the company that makes these and, you know, just the settings and everything, they're very similar. But obviously one has that lifetime warranty, and that's really just what you're paying for. You're paying for the event this fails, and, you know, you're getting your item fixed for free. How long that takes, I've never had to use Ridgid's LSA, but, you know, it's good to have. So it's up to you. It's an extra $40. I don't know. I think if you don't need it immediately, which a lot of people might be buying gifts, so it's kind of like, I think I might just buy it and you know, for a gift. You can do that. Now with the Ryobi, you do get a free sprayer. So, you know, that makes this one a little sweeter. It's like, when you factor in the sprayer, I'm kind of getting this for $50 or $60 or so, and you honestly just can't beat that. So anyway, moving on, there is another deal that I don't know what happened to it when you go to specials, but let's go to specials too, so you can see what's happening there. All right, so under the specials, you have this infrared thermometers, $30. It's not too bad. You have, I wouldn't pay this at $140 for that battery. Nope. Look, let me tell you something. Those come with the lawnmowers. You better off just finding a lawnmower kit or just a lawnmower from Home Depot and getting that. As a matter of fact, I wonder how much those cost right now. Too expensive right now. But if you catch these on sale, this is crazy. I've never seen them this high. And it's off season, so it's kind of weird. You think they'd be trying to get rid of them, but they're not. Usually, I find that funny that they're moving over to the dual 18 volt. That's a better thought out system than the older models that have just the big 40 volts. Because you can use those for tools as well. That's why I like the DeWalt lawnmowers, because of that. But the Ryobi kind of cuts a little better in my opinion. That's the one I have. And I have a video for this one up here if you want to watch that review. But I do have an update because one of my batteries failed. I have two of these batteries and one failed. Not the 6 amp hour one, but the 4 amp hour battery, it failed. And I need to send that in for warranty service. So I'll probably hold off on that. Anyway. Nah, I didn't pay $329 for mine. I paid like $2 something. So they routinely at certain times of the year go down for $199. So it doesn't make sense to pay $139 for a battery. But you know, today is the day we live in, and that's $329. It's $139. So it's not a bad deal when you compare that. You have a cordless caulk gun. Home DIYers should not really need that. If you are a handyman, maybe. And the $55 is not that bad, especially if you're already in the Ridgid ecosystem. And of course, that will come with a lifetime warranty. Now, this charger for $23.99 is not bad. It's factory blemished. And, you know. Oh, it looks like it's a hammer drill. But it's also Ridgid. It's not the octane. And, you know, but, You have a stud detector here. But anyway, I was here earlier and there was something else on this page that I thought was crazy and I can't find it now. So let's see. I just made a video about these inflators. Now here's something that's interesting. I made a video talking about how this is a great deal at Home Depot for $49.99, which it is. And now I see this on Direct Tools. It's $31.99. It's a better deal. Now here's the thing with Direct Tools, shipping isn't free. So with my order I placed earlier, I could have just added this and then just took back my other inflator to Home Depot, which I wonder if I could stop it and do just that. But here was the real deal. Okay, here was the real deal right here. This bad boy, this dual function inflator from Ryobi. Now a bunch of you in the comments say, well, Ryobi has a good one. I'm like, yeah, but it doesn't plug into the car. I'm thinking about trying to see if I can make it do that. Open it up and just rewire it and add that tip so we can make it 12 volt as well. But if for $25, this is a heck of a deal right here. And while I'm thinking about it, I might consider buying another one just to tinker with like that to see if I can make that happen. I don't want to mess it up, but I think that would be a cool project to make this a 12 volt unit. Let's see. I know I'm going to see if I can cancel my order and add this and maybe another one of these. And here's the other thing about this Ryobi, which is crazy. We want to add this to cart and take a look up here. My cart says it's 2 items in there, and I'm like, what? 2 items? Where'd that come from? I click it and boom, you get, it doesn't advertise it, but you get a free sprayer. You get a free electrostatic sprayer with it. So for $25, you get the sprayer and the inflator. Crazy deal. That's really the deal today. I was just dragging this out to build up to this deal right here. This is really it. This is the deal of the day. This inflator and you get the free sprayer. Have at it, y'all. I don't have nothing else to say. You can look around and play around with other stuff, but that is it right there. I am curious though, because you don't really want this $19.99 one, but let's see what happens if we add it to the cart. Let's see if we get a free sprayer with it. Oh my goodness, or even better, this this $13.99. Let's see. Oh, look, if you buy, oh my goodness, don't tell me it's 4 of those. Look, y'all, if you get, look at this. If you buy this reconditioned $13.99 tire inflator, you get a free sprayer. That is ridiculous. That's hilarious. But you do have to pay shipping. It's $9.99. But that is hilarious. That's just hilarious. But you don't want that Ryobi. I'm trying that is like you in a pinch for real. You stranded. And let me tell you, if you're stranded and you just left that battery inside this thing or in the trunk, that battery's not going to work. If it's been outside in the cold heat, there's probably no juice in there. And this thing just sucks. When you go out there, you see these little ridges on the side right here. That cold air just blows on your hand, and it's bad. It's rough to use, so I wouldn't recommend it. But anyway, that's it for today, you guys. I have some videos I'm going to make because I had a rough week. I got to tell you guys about it and tell you how to not get got like how I got. But anyway, that's those other videos. See you guys next time.